In this video, I'm going to share with you the most common topics in organic chemistry that JAMB asks every single year. So if you're going to write chemistry in the upcoming JAMB, understand that organic chemistry aspect takes about 30 to 40% of your questions. Imagine that you are very good in organic chemistry and you're able to answer close to 80 to 90% of those organic chemistry questions. Your chance of scoring close to 80 to 90 in chemistry will increase because organic chemistry is still one of the aspects that give a lot of students challenges. So in this video here, what I'm going to help you to do is that I'm going to share with you these topics very well, because as a student, you really need to know the topic that do comes out in a specific aspect of your subject, just like the organic aspects. Most students don't actually know this aspect very well. This is the reason why they can actually streamline their focus in reading this aspect. Just not only that, here I'm going to share my blueprint with you. How you can cover these topics in what? How you can cover these topics in 5 days or 6 days or 7 days. Just I've done a complete video on all these things I want to share with you. Just I'm going to help you to access them in affordable price. So in the sense that I'm not only sharing this topic with you, I'm also going to share the links in the links and I can access these videos in affordable price. Just and with your own seriousness, then you can cover these topics in less than 7 days or close to 5 days. Just I'm going to be of great help to you. So make sure you watch the end, because JAMB exam is very close. This video is going to be of great help to you. Let's get into it. So now, before I move here, understand that organic chemistry is very, very difficult. Just you need somebody to actually help you to cover these things, especially if you are the type that read and don't understand. You need someone to actually coach you. This is the reason why I'm here. So if you have issues with your chemistry, physics, and mathematics JAMB, then send me a DM for private class. Then I will help you to cover these things. I have a lot of testimonial and I've helped a lot of students to cover physics, chemistry, and maths in less than 12 days. Just so what are the topics you need to cover in organic chemistry when it comes to JAMB? The topic JAMB focus their attention on. Now, this topic I'm about to share with you, I've done my proper research on all these things here. I've looked at the past questions, I look at the syllabus. These are the top topics you must focus your attention on if you really want to see results and you really want to improve and cover and score very high in chemistry. Pay close attention to these topics very well. So the first one is called the introduction to organic chemistry. So yeah, you need to understand what is organic chemistry. Just I need to understand the definition of organic chemistry. Number two, you need to understand the classification of organic compounds. How organic chemistry are being classified. You need to understand these things very well. Right? Next, you need to understand here is called what? The functional group. Right? The functional group and the various formulas, molecular formulas, general molecular formula for each of these family. It's very important here because JAMB normally asks the functional group and the general molecular formula. You need to understand them very well. There are so many functional group families. You need to understand their functional group very well and their general molecular formula. The next you need to understand is called the homologous series, the characteristics and the rest. You need to understand it very well. So this is the first thing you need to pay close attention to. If you cannot nail this thing very well, then you are not serious at all. That is the first thing to know. The next is called the hybridization. Right? Remember, carbon is the chief element in organic compounds, and carbon possesses 3 hybridization: the sp3, the sp2, and the sp. You need to understand how they are being formed. You need to understand what's called pi bond. You need to understand what's called sigma bond. You need to understand their shape and their angles. sp3, sp2, sp. What are their shape? What are their bond angles? These are things you need to understand. You need to understand what's called pi bond and sigma bond. How many sigma bonds do you have in a structure? Now, you'll be given a structure you ask how many pi bonds are here and how many sigma bonds are here. Just and the only way you need to understand is to know how to draw organic structure. Just like to know how to draw organic structure. And these are things you need to know here, right? It's very important. That was the second thing, hybridization, and these are everything to know when it comes to hybridization. The next thing is nomenclature of the organic compound. Yes, nomenclature of the organic compound. You need to know how to name the various families in organic chemistry. The alkanes, the alkenes, the alkynes, the carboxylic acid, the ketones, the aldehyde, every single thing, the alcohols. You need to know their nomenclature very, very well. Just it's very important you know how to do this here. Don't worry. If you see having issue with all this thing here, I'm going to share you how you can cover these things in less than 5 days, because I've done a complete class, I've done a complete course on this thing. I want to share how you can access this thing in affordable price. Do you understand? Now, after you have done nomenclature of the organic compounds, next you want to look at is the isomerism. Yes, isomerism. You need to cover what's called the structural isomerism, right? Under structural isomerism, you need to cover what is called the chain, the position, and the functional group. And you must know how to answer questions on this aspect very well. After that, you need to understand what is called geometrical isomerism. You need to cover what is called geometrical isomerism. You need to understand what is called the cis and trans isomerism. You must study it very well, because JAMB like ask questions on this aspect. Next, they normally ask is called the optical isomerism. Few questions comes from this aspect here, but the main part you need to cover in the isomerism is the structural aspects and the geometrical aspect, the cis and trans, and the E and Z. JAMB normally like to ask questions on this aspect very well. Now, after that, you need to understand what's called hydrocarbon. Just and there are 4 types of hydrocarbon: the alkanes, the alkynes, and the aromatic, the benzene family. Just you need to understand their preparation, their reaction, and everything. Now, another thing to understand here is that preparation and reactions and physical properties of the various families. Just the reactions, the preparations, the properties. Just you need to understand every single thing here. Just after that, you now need to start solving past question on this aspect here. Just and because exam very close, you have a lot of things to cover here. I have done a complete course. Now, currently I'm working on a complete course. Just that can help you to cover all these topics in less than 5 days. But currently now I'm still having issues with the course. Now, if the course is available here, I will leave the link so I can go and access those videos straight up. Just but for now, if you are watching this video, if the link is not at the description for you to access the full course, right? Now you can send me a message which I've done the video there. I will direct you on out. I will direct you there. I will say, okay, this is what the first video, go and watch it. This second video, go and watch it. This is the third video, go and watch it. Just now for every part of the video you watch, right? Because I've done a complete video on all this stuff here. For every part you watch, guess what? I'm going to send PDF questions on each of this topic here. Just if, for example, now we have covered the introductory aspects, now I'm going to send you questions that JAMB have asked under this aspect ever for almost 20 years. Just now, I can tell you that all those questions you are going to answer, you are going to see some of them in the examination. Just now, for each topic you have covered, for each video you watch, I'm going to send you a PDF. Now, in less than 5 days, because within 5 days, the video should, if you are very, very serious, you should be able to complete this course videos in less than 5 days or 5 days. The answer those past questions. Just and going to be of great help to you. Now, instead of you wasting your time trying to read the textbook and not understanding, trying to go everywhere, try to look for somewhere to learn and you're not getting results, send me a DM on WhatsApp, then I will guide you. Just now, I also have a complete course for the calculation aspects. Just calculation aspect, all the chemistry calculation aspect. I also have a complete course. But the price is very, very affordable. Just the course is not fully ready. Just so send me a message that you are coming for the chemistry class. Just you are coming for the chemistry class and you need the course. Just they won't have to tell you what I will do. I will give the price. The price is very, very affordable. I will give the price. Then I will give the price. Then I will send you the link to those videos. Just so I can go access those videos. Right. So once finish each video, I will send you a PDF for each of the topics, the PDF questions, so I can access, and it's going to be of great help to you. So now, to send me a message here, my number will be at the screen. Send me a message. They can start learning. Just all these videos helpful. Please kindly share this video so that other persons who will be looking for this kind of content can see this video and learn and benefit from it. Just please kindly subscribe to this channel here, because I produce a lot of videos like this that will be of great help to you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.